Hello everyone, welcome back to Good Droid Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix EA Sports FC24 is having anti-cheat error or anti-cheat service encountered error, which is happening for many of the users right now, and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one is all about what we need to do is we just need to do a simple restart on your PC and try launch the game. So just go over here in the start, click on this particular icon, go to the power icon and go for a restart. Once the restart is done, we just need to go back, try launch the game, and we have to see whether the issue is solved or not. This is very important, and this did work for many users. You can try this out as well. Next one is all about we need to update EA AntiCheat. So many users had a lot of confusion on this, so I'm gonna show you how to do this. So just go to the game over here, right click, and we have to go to the properties, go to the installed file and just click on the browse. So now what you need to do is you just need to, you can see that you are redirected to the installation folder. If you check at the top, that is this PC, new volume D, Steam library, Steam apps, common, EA Sports FC24. So just open the underscore installer folder. Now navigate to EA AntiCheat, open this, and this is the installer. So open this first. So now what you need to do is just go for S, and this is how it looks like. Click on this particular icon, select the game. So we are talking about FC24, so select FC24. Now you will be having an option to update it. So I'm not having the option because very recently I tried this. So you will be having the option to select update. So just click on the update so that the process will get complete. After the update is done, just close this, everything should be closed. Go back and try launch the game. Next one is all about after trying with this, if the issue is still there, we need to repair the EA AntiCheat. So we have to do the same process. Go over here in the game, right click, and we have to go to the properties, go to the installed file and just click on the browse. So that will redirect you to this particular folder. If you check at the top, that is this PC, new volume D, Steam library, Steam apps, common, EA Sports FC24. Go to the underscore installer folder, go to EA AntiCheat. Now from here, select this one, right click, and that will take you to this. Now from here, what we need to do is when you get the particular kind of dashboard, you'll be getting like this. So once you get this, what we need to do is we just need to select the game first. So FC24. Now we wanted to repair the anti-cheat. That is what we have to do. So just click on the repair, go for OK. So when you do this, what they do it when we need to select the folder where the game is installed. So in my case it is D. I think it is D. Steam library. Go to Steam apps. Go to common, and I have to scroll down and navigate to over here. I have to find EA Sports FC24. Now from here we have to navigate to the folder. So I'll select this one, select the folder, and once after this it will be done completely, and once afterwards, once the repair is successfully done, just close everything, close this and go back, try launch the game. So either the uninstalling the anti-cheat might be working, or repairing the anti-cheat might be working as well, so you can try this out. Next one is all about what we need to do is if you are having the game in the EA app. So right now I'm having the game on Steam, not on EA app. So I have already logged into the EA app very recently for the same. So as you can see, I'm having the EA app as well. So the users on the EA app, if you wanted to play the game on the both, you can try these steps for both as well as for the Steam. The first one, we have to close the EA app. So if the EA app is opened on your PC, just close it. Once afterwards, uninstall the anti-cheat. For uninstalling the anti-cheat, you should also keep in mind that it should be go over here in the Steam, right click, or we can go to the properties or go to this particular file and go for browse, or else I'll show you this. Just go to the file explorer, go to this PC, go to the installation folder, that is D, go to Steam library, go to Steam apps, go to common. Now select EA Sports FC24. Now from here go to installer, select EA AntiCheat, open this. Now from here go for yes and go for uninstall. Select the game, that is FC24, go for uninstall the game. So once after EA AntiCheat is uninstalled, we have to close the EA app. If it is already opened, if the EA app is already opened in your computer, close this. Once afterwards, you can also try uninstalling EA app for FC24. Now we need to close the Steam as well. Now once the Steam is also closed, we need to launch the game not from the EA app or Steam, but from the installation folder. For this, just go over here at File Explorer, go to this PC, go to the folder where the game is installed, go to the respective one, and from here navigate to EA Sports FC 24. Now launch the game from here. This did work for many users. We can try this out. So we are not launching the game from EA app or Steam. We are launching the game directly from the installation folder after uninstalling the EA AntiCheat and further steps which I mentioned. Once afterwards, try launch the game and that will be working fine. Next one, after trying with this, if the issue is still there, we can run the EA or Steam as an administrator. So just go over here, search for Steam like this. You can search for Steam, click on run as an administrator, go for yes. So it will be launched. So for the Steam users, do this. If you're on the EA app, if you wanted to continue playing the game on the EA, search for EA like this, click on run as an administrator, go for yes, and that will be working fine, and try launch the game for the EA users. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to verify the game file. So just go over here. Hence I'm on Steam. I'm going to show you for this. Right click and we have to go to the properties, go to the installed file and just click on the verify integrity of game file. This will take a little bit of time. So I'm going to go for this. I'm going to skip this up. So once the verify integrity of game file is done, you can try launch the game and that will be working fine. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to run the FC24 as an administrator. So just go over here in the installation folder, navigate to the installation folder D. Let me navigate to this very easily. Go to the FC24, select the application. So this is the launcher. Right click and go to show more options. Go to the properties, compatibility. Click on run this program as an administrator. Go for apply and go for OK. Once you're done with this one, just close this and we have to go back, try launch the game. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to allow the game to Windows security. So just go over here in the search, we have to go to the control panel, go for system and security, go for Windows Defender Firewall, go for allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and here I have already added the game. So over here you will be able to find it. So if the game is not there, we can add it by default. So keep scrolling down and navigate to FC24. If EA is not there, navigate to FC24. So just scroll down. Okay. So you will be able to find it either in EA or over here. So if it's not there, we can add it by default. Just click on the change settings, go for allow another app, go for browse. This PC, local disk T, stream library, Steam apps common. Go to over here. We have to go over EA Sports FC24. Select this one and go for open and add it. So once you add it, EA is already, AntiCheat is already added. Once afterwards, try launch the game and see whether the issue is solved or not. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to uninstall and reinstall the game. Go over here and manage uninstall the game. For reinstalling, you should not be installing back on the same local disk from which you uninstalled. Try new local disk, and this is what you have to do. I hope this video is helpful. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.